guys and welcome back. Today, we will draw a cute kawaii snail. Start with drawing a curved line to form the snail's body, then draw the shell above the bod, then add a large spiral in the center for the shell. Draw 2 small dots on the head for eye, then add a curved line below for a smile. Then, add 2 lines above the head. Now, add some cute details like cute shapes on the shell or a tiny heart. Color the snail and don't forget to add pink cheeks. Add more texture to give the character more depth and cuteness. There you have it. Your own adorable kawaii snail is complete. Now, it is your turn, guys. Share your creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawing tutorials.